So now we're going to delve into the dark side of crypto. The Silk Road.
It was an internet site where you could buy illicit, victimless products. So it typically meant drugs. You couldn't buy weapons in the beginning. They were generating loads of funds for themselves, for the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin was being used left, right, and center, specifically for this. And then suddenly Bitcoin is in the news. Oh, Bitcoin, it's this currency for criminals. And when you think about it, if that was the main use of it, of course it's going to be labeled as a currency for criminals. Some intelligence agency, I don't know if it was FBI, they wanted to find out who's running this site. It's illegal. They went on to the site and they started tracing the IPs of the servers.
Okay.
Now, they found the server eventually, and they couldn't trace the laptop of who was using that server. He revealed his IP because attackers started to attack the server, and he installed Google CAPTCHA. You know that thing on Google where you... Suddenly, when you go to Google CAPTCHA, your IP is recorded. They had the server IP. And I remember they finally managed to catch him when he was logging in at the library somewhere. His administrator ratted out on him, and he himself then went on to Silk Road and said, I want to find a hitman. And that's where the intelligence agency came in. They said, okay, we will be your hitman. So
how crazy.
This all started as a victimless, illicit product platform.